Hello friends and welcome to another new happy learning video. Today we will learn about the water cycle. Earth, which is the planet we live on, is known as the blue planet because as much as 3/4 of the planet's surface is water. And water is so very important because without it, there would be no life. Without it, their sweet little otters wouldn't exist, or their playful bears, nor discontented bird, or even us, the human beings. That's why we must look after it. We should conserve our water well, and most of all, we must maintain our river and ocean clean. Did you know water never stands still, but it's always in constant movement, even though at times it doesn't seem like it? This water movement is what is called the water cycle. Now, let's learn more about it. When the sun warms the water on the Earth's surface, it evaporates, converting itself into water vapor or steam and begins its incredible journey, flying to the sky up towards the atmosphere.
This first stage of its journey is known as evaporation. When the water converts in vapor, it rises toward the atmosphere, then cools down, transforming itself into the clouds.
This second stages of its journey is called condensation. Once the water has condensated and in turned into a cloud, it continues its amazing journey by being blown by the wind traveling from one place to another. Clouds are actually little tiny drops of water suspended in the air, but when the clouds grow, they collect more and more water. These water drops then crash into each other and become bigger drops of water. Then at some point, they end up falling to the ground in the form of rain or even snow.
This stage of the water cycle is called precipitation. The water which falls to the ground, which precipitates in the form of either rain or snow, may land in rivers or even on the ground, to then seep through to subterranean current of water. All this water must continue its long journey, covering large amounts of distance until it finally reaches the sea. When it arrives at the big blue sea, it will once again begin the process: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. That's why it is called the water cycle, because it forms a never-ending cycle.